Hello, in this video I'm about to show you how to create a backup on the Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are a few options how to create such a backup. I'm about to show you all of them. The process is not hard, so I'm sure that all of you will be able to do it. So let's begin with entering the settings. And now let's simply type backup. Okay, now we have accounts and backup, and let's simply click on it. Okay, so we have options by Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, and the Smart Switch. But I'll show you the Smart Switch in the video how to restore. So, and also we have the external storage transfer. So let's start with the Samsung Cloud. Simply click on backup data. In here, you need to select which data from those available apps you want to store. So let's say I only want to backup of my calls, messages, settings, clock, and that's it. So now I need to click on backup now. Now the process has started. Now we need to wait a little bit, but I have to tell you that you need to be logged into your Samsung account. If you don't have a account, you need to create it, otherwise you won't be able to do it. Okay, so now this process is finished. Now I'm about to show you the Google Drive. In here, simply select backup by Google and click on backup now. Also, you need to draw your pattern to proceed next. And now the process should start. Okay, you can see this blue bar under my finger and this a little bit darker blue bar, and it needs to go into the right side, and then the backup will be made. I'm not gonna do it now because it will take much time, so I'm about to quit for now. Okay, now I'll show you this Smart Switch. So let's pick transfer data for new phone. In here, click more and click on continue. In here, click allow, and we want to send from this phone. You can pick from the wireless or the cable. I'm about to pick the wireless option. Now it's looking for the other devices. Also in here I have another of my phone. And in here, as you can see on the Samsung, I have received your stuff from Samsung A56, and we want to click yes. Now it's gonna download the Smart Switch. Now on the other phone, let's click on more. Now continue, more, allow. Now we need to wait until both of the phones will be connected. Okay, let's click on connect over Wi-Fi. Okay, it's gonna take a few seconds, so we need to be patient. Oh, but both of the phones need to be connected into the same Wi-Fi, so let's quickly check, is it the same? Okay. It's the same, so we need to wait again. Okay, let's try again. Now it should work. Click on connect. In here also connect. Okay, I don't know, it doesn't want to connect, so let's start this process once again. Transfer data for a device setup, send from this phone. Again, I need to make sure that we are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Let's pick the wireless. Let's click on yes. Click on connect again. Okay, and now the process is started. So now we need to wait until it goes to 100%. So okay, it didn't take much time. And in here on the second phone, which is the phone to receive the backup from this phone, in here we can pick everything to backup, as you can see, you also have the size, 7.75 gigabytes, and it's gonna take about 7 minutes. You can also only backup accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, or you can pick the custom option. Okay, so I only want to backup my accounts and calls, etc. And here you can click on skip. Now the process again is started, so let's wait a few seconds. It's not gonna take much time because the storage space is not that big. Okay, now we got organizing your transfer data, and as you can see on this phone we are done, and for now on both. As you can see, 12 items copied, 1 megabyte copied messages, calls and contacts, but the accounts hasn't been for now backup. So click on next, click on done, and that's how you use the smart switch. Okay, so now I can get rid of this phone from the screen for now. And now we can go into the last option. So let's scroll down, and the last option is the external storage transfer. So you need an external storage to be able to use this option. So in here I have my adapter with the SD card in it, and now I'm gonna plug it into my phone using the USB-C port. Okay, it's connected, as you can see, and now it detects it. So let's click on backup to USB storage. Again, the process is started, and it's the same as using the smart switch. You can backup calls, contacts, and custom one. So let's pick only the calls, click on OK. Now let's wait. Okay, backup resolved. 13 items, 15 megabytes. Click on next, click on done, and the process is finished. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.